So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate fake WhatsApp chats for free for fun. And now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for ZEOOB. Just simply search this and wait for the site to respond and open this first website. Let it open, and when you scroll down you're going to find this option which says WhatsApp generator. Just simply tap over there, and here you can see generate WhatsApp chat option. Just simply tap over there, and once it gets open, here you can see a page of a screenshot have been generated. You can customize the settings, the tweaks you want to, even the layout as well, the iPhone layout or the Android layout, and multiple settings are available for you that you can use to create a fake WhatsApp chat that you can use anywhere you want for free. And once you are done with the changes, directly hit the save your chat option. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.